Escape to a 10-acre paradise where luxury knows no bounds in Wisconsin. Welcome to Wander Newton Lakefront, an awe-inspiring mega mansion perched on the edge of a serene lake. I'm Lila, and I'll be showing you this jaw-dropping home with 8 bedrooms, comfortably sleeping up to 16, 5 bathrooms, and more amenities than you can imagine. You have everything you need right here for the best vacation, with a pool, a hot tub, a game room, a movie theater, a gym, a tennis court, a basketball court, and so much more. As you approach the home, the first thing you'll notice is the sheer enormity of it. This mega mansion has an impressive exterior that exudes sophistication and elegance. You can see the beautiful stonework complemented by a perfectly maintained landscape. This circular driveway leads up to the grand entrance, featuring a gorgeous fountain that adds a classic touch. Let's head inside. The grand arched doors provide a majestic entrance, setting the tone for the upscale experience that awaits you. When you step inside, you're greeted by an elegant double staircase that serves as the centerpiece of the foyer. This foyer has lots of natural light and large windows, creating an open and airy feel. And the detailed railing with a curved design has an artistic flair and functionality, a little ode to a classic mansion. This living room is absolutely gorgeous. These floor-to-ceiling windows offer breathtaking views of the surrounding landscape and lake. And a staple of this room is this gorgeous grand piano, perfect for music enthusiasts or some light entertaining. A sophisticated fireplace over here with a carved mantel and decorative statues add a grandeur to the space. And these soaring high ceilings and plush furnishings add a warmth and comfort to the room, perfect for social gatherings with friends or family. This open layout kitchen is a chef's dream. Mwah! This kitchen is huge, with rich wooden cabinetry and sleek granite countertops, creating a luxurious but welcoming feel. Equipped with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, this space seamlessly combines high-end style with everyday practicality. Whether you're preparing a gourmet feast or savoring a cozy breakfast, this space comes fully stocked with anything you need for your culinary adventures. This expansive kitchen island provides plenty of space for food prep or as extra seating for 5. There's even a separate coffee bar and pantry. And for a more indulgent experience, you can contact our Wander concierge to put you in touch with the best private chefs in the area to cook a delicious meal for you. This dining room is just as grand and lavish as the rest of the home. The decorative drapery, the coffered ceiling with wood paneling, and the stylish chandeliers add a classic and elegant touch to the room. With a long marble dining table that seats 15 people and chairs upholstered in rich leather with tufted backs, this is the perfect place to enjoy a meal in luxury and comfort. The primary bedroom is spacious with a plush king-size bed. The neutral color palette helps create a serene atmosphere. A striking granite fireplace framed by a wood mantel creates such a cozy environment, and above you'll find a flat-screen TV offering endless entertainment. Step out onto your own private deck, where a cozy seating area awaits, perfect for enjoying the fresh air or the breathtaking views at sunrise or sunset. You will find every Wander bedroom designed to elevate your sleep experience, ensuring that you rest like you never have before. Our homes feature state-of-the-art technology, ensuring that you wake up feeling rested and ready to seize the day. Choose your ideal comfort level with our smart mattresses, whether you like plush softness or firm support for your best night's sleep. Plus, we've added a thoughtful touch, wireless phone chargers placed by each bed so you don't have to worry about any forgotten chargers. The primary ensuite bathroom is an expansive and spa-like sanctuary. At its heart is a cozy platform bathtub with a stone fireplace right next to it. There's a large shower with glass blocks that create privacy while maintaining that open feel. And with multiple shower heads in different settings, you can shower in comfort. There are double vanity sinks with ornate mirrors, ample counter space, and chic lighting fixtures. Every bathroom at Wander is stocked with luxurious amenities like hand-picked shampoo and body wash, ensuring that your experience exceeds expectations. For your comfort, we've included soft towels, plush robes, and slippers. There's nothing quite like wrapping up in a Wander robe at the end of the day. I know it's my favorite part. This luxurious home features 7 additional bedrooms, each thoughtfully designed to maintain privacy, comfort, and style. 2 rooms feature plush king-size beds, and 3 rooms offer queen-size beds. Another room features a cozy full-size bed, and 1 more room with 2 full beds. It's the perfect place for large groups or friend and family gatherings, with ample space for everyone to relax and unwind. One of the benefits of staying at Wander versus other vacation homes is that we offer workstations at most of our properties. And here at Newton Lakefront, we have one for you to use right here in this home office. Wander offers high-speed internet and Ubiquiti hardware across all of our homes. This office space exudes sophistication and elegance with its large wooden desk and leather chair. The decor features a globe and books on the bookshelf, and the windows bring in ample natural light and gorgeous views of the lake. In the game room, the pool table takes center stage, inviting you to play a game of billiards, and the exposed brick and rich color palette give the place a distinctive character. On one side of the room, a flat-screen TV mounted above a soundbar creates the ideal entertainment setup. This room also boasts a vintage pinball machine, an arcade game console, and a poker table, perfect for players of all ages. And over here, this awesome wet bar features a refrigerator, gorgeous wooden cabinetry, and leather chairs, perfect for enjoying a relaxing drink. Enjoy a private and spacious movie theater designed for the best cinematic experience. Rows of plush mustard yellow theater chairs invite you to settle in for a movie night in style, all equipped with armrests and cup holders for your convenience. The blue and gold on the walls and this classic movie theater style carpet makes you feel like you're at the real deal. And there's even a selection of movies for you to choose from. This TV room is perfect for relaxation and entertainment. These super comfy reclining chairs are positioned around this awesome wall-mounted flat-screen TV. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate this fully stocked gym. There's a treadmill right by the window for cardio sessions with a view, a leg press machine, and a wide variety of weightlifting options. Even the laundry room provides a luxurious experience. It is fully equipped with a sleek washer and dryer and plenty of storage space for all of your essentials. That is the end of the inside of this amazing home, but there are just a few other things outside that I think you should know about. The centerpiece of this outdoor area is this expansive and inviting pool, complete with a diving board and a slide. 10 reclining chairs line the pool, leisure swings, as well as ample seating space to enjoy the sun. Outside, you'll find this cozy fire pit surrounded by plush chairs, perfect for intimate gatherings. And here is this charming outdoor play area. This high-quality wooden structure has a bright yellow slide, swings, and ladders for climbing, making it a perfect place for the kids to play. On the other side, this spectacular hot tub awaits, providing extreme relaxation. This is perfect to enjoy during some summer days or cool winter nights under the stars. Next to the hot tub, you'll find a fantastic pool house. Inside, you'll find a cozy dining area, a well-equipped kitchen, and a sleek island with stools seating up to 6. 2 tables with seating up to 4 each allow for a perfect gathering area to dine. 2 flat-screen TVs and a bathroom complete this poolside gathering area. Inside, you'll find this epic basketball court, perfect for playing any time of the year. The property is surrounded by lush greenery, perfect for walking, picnicking, or hosting outdoor events. There's even a tennis court equipped with lighting for evening play and a basketball hoop if you want to play outside. Discover the clean and spacious garage with plenty of room for parking. Inside, you'll find bicycles for all ages, scooters, and helmets so you can discover the area on wheels. If you're wondering what's the best way to get here, the closest airport to Wander Newton Lakefront is Green Bay Austin Strobel International Airport. It's about 49 miles away or a 45-minute drive. We highly recommend renting a car for the duration of your stay, or you can opt for an Uber or Lyft. Feel overwhelmed with what to do on your trip? Wander is here to help. After this, check out our travel guide that has tons of recommendations with all to do, eat, and see in the area. Need more specific help? Our Wander concierge team is available 24/7 for your specific needs. Simply text this number anytime with questions. At Wander, we believe that special occasions like weddings or family reunions are meant to be spent together. Wander properties provide the perfect backdrop for these occasions. Whether you're planning a wedding, a family reunion, or a bachelor or bachelorette weekend, Wander allows you to make these experiences unforgettable. Visit wander.com/events to find out how you can make your next celebration unforgettable. Thanks for joining me at Wander Newton Lakefront. We can't wait to welcome you. Now, it's time to see all the beautiful places this area has to offer. Check out our travel guide to see all the local gems waiting for you.